Hello and welcome to my butterfly makeup tutorial. I'm starting here with a liquid foundation base, Estee Lauder Double Wear to be precise. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind on my under eyes here. I'm now darkening up that base with my Hoola bronzer, as the foundation is a little light for me. I'm adding some blush to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm using a dark blonde eyebrow gel. Here I'm moving on to white water activated face paint to start outlining my butterfly wings. I'm just drawing, adding and taking away until I have a shape that I'm happy with. Now I'm taking my Kimchi palette and using the blue shade on my inner eye. Next, to create a purple, I am mixing the light pink and blue from this palette. I'm adding more of the light pink to the outer edge. Next, I'm taking this hot pink shade under the eye and using this slightly more purple colour next to it. I'm finishing off the eyeshadow with a little dab of the hot pink on the outer corner. Now I'm just adding more of the white face paint to redefine the wing outline. On top of that, I'm just adding a couple more line details to make the wing more intricate. Next, I'm taking some iridescent rhinestones and applying them with eyelash glue to the outline of the wing. Now I'm curling my lashes and adding mascara. Now to add some of my Ofra Glaze Donut Highlighter on my brow bone and cheekbones. Lastly, I'm adding a NYX liquid lip in a dusty pink and adding a gloss over the top of this. And here's my take on a butterfly-inspired festival makeup look. Thanks for watching and bye guys!